If you want to turn your recipes into a professional cookbook, or just want to create a professional cookbook from your idea and start selling on Amazon, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you step by step on how to create it, put together a cover, put together the final file that you can share. Plus, I will be also sharing that nobody tells you about is what is working right now, the real life case studies, so it will spark you some more unique ideas, and it will be really really helpful for your next book's inspiration. So stay till the end, and I want to show you, before I get into the step by step, I want to show you this book that I've created. Let me just start the all right, this is the book that you will be able to create by the end of this video, right, and start selling them on Amazon. Check this out. Beautiful, isn't it? Perfect ingredients, prep time, calories, macros, preparation, pictures, title. Wonderful, right? Now, I want to show you some examples that are doing really, really well on Amazon. That is the books that just recently got published and selling like hotcakes. Okay, check this book. This book was published by someone like you and me, independent publisher named Joshua, on like literally a few months ago, an already number one bestseller. Another example, check this book. This is on a Mediterranean diet, and someone published it on 18th November. Logan, already selling. I will give you an rough estimate of how much these books are making, so you know what you are aiming for, right? What you should aim for. This is an easy crockpot cookbook. Just like a month ago, it got published and already selling like hotcakes, right? Another book I want to show, right? The complete sourdough book, right? Mediterranean diet cookbook again, right? October 31st, it got published. Instant pot cookbook, right? A baking cookbook, right? Literally published like a week ago and already selling like hotcakes, right? Baking books for kids, right? Blackstone griddle recipe books, right? High protein, low carb cookbooks, right? Selling for $20, $19, $16, $17, right? And I just want to give you a rough estimate for something that got published literally like 2 months ago and how much they are making, right? So a hack there, all you gotta do, for those of you who already sell on Amazon, you know, but for those of you who are not, I just want to tell you, if you scroll down, you will see a little bit more information about this book. The publisher, is it like by a third party big publisher, or is it independently published, when it got published, the language. By the way, one another thing, stay till the end, you can create cookbooks in any language. That's what we got it for you, right? The pages and the weight, the dimension, which is 8.5 by 11 inches, and the bestsellers rank. And this is that hidden magic number that lets you estimate how much this book is potentially making every single month, and how many copies they're selling, right? So this book is already number one in a wheat free diet cookbook category. In high protein diet, this book is number four, and it just got published 2 months ago. It's like crazy right now, right? Anyways, let's take this bestsellers rank of 1804, and there's this free tool, by the way, that lets you calculate it, right? So if you just go to this free tool, like, and you can just like estimate Amazon sales based on bestsellers rank, you will see that, okay, this book has a 1804, right? Let me just zoom it in for you so you understand the power of this, right? 1804 sellers rank on Amazon.com under the books category, selling for 1995. Then estimated sales and revenue they're making. Obviously, it's not royalties. Royalties would be anywhere between like $7,000 to $10,000. But you see the potential, right? That is the upside. Let's do a math for this one, right? This book, Easy Crock Pot, literally published 3 weeks ago, right? And I want to show you something really really cool. We scroll down. We just scroll down, you will see the rank. This is 6,644. Okay, and let's see how much this is selling for. This is selling for 999. So 6,644 is the rank and this is selling for 9.99. Let's get the estimate sales. This is selling anywhere between 10 grand to like 1,000 copies a month. That's crazy huge for something that just got published, right? And I just want to take this time to explain and give you these ideas. I will give the link for all these books in a document so that it will, you can kind of get inspiration of what's working. Plus I'm working on something very secret that's going to make this finding niches like a piece of cake, right? Just stay till the end. I mean, wait for a few weeks. Anyways, now let's come to the point, right? How can you create them? You got it. You saw the opportunity. You saw that's great. How the next step, the action plan, okay? The action plan should be like this. You go to AI. Okay, one second. Let me just go back. Okay. You come to Artistly. For this, we don't have it. Get it. It's in the description box below. You can get a exclusive discount for all the YouTube viewers, so take advantage of that if you don't have it yet. Anyways, click on Fast AI Image Designer. Under AI Design Agents, we got a new feature called Cookbook Creator, but we did a lot of things here, right? That I want to show you. Now, what are those things? Now, there are two versions we gave you. Version 1 that we already have, right? That you already know. And version 2 is the new version that's going to change your mind. Okay, like change your game. I mean, it's going to blow your mind, right? There are two formats. Number one is going to create new recipes for you. That means AI is going to write the recipe for you. Number two is you can put your own messy recipe and we'll format it, add the nutrition, add the like pictures and everything, right? Now, we also added the measurement system. This is one of the most requested things. So we added it. We also added languages. Yay! Now you can create in German, in French, in Dutch, in Hindi, in Marathi, in Persian, Polish, right? You get the point. Spanish. It's crazy. Now we also added intro pages, so you can add the table of content, about us, contact, description. You get in the flow, right? Whatever you want. And we also added the ending page. That means this will be added at the end of the page of your book, like thanking them, telling them to buy something else, or, promotion of your next book, or you get my point, right? Let's start with the step 1, okay? And so let's say you have to put in your recipe idea. Are you creating a baking cookbook, or are you creating a high protein, low carb cookbook, or you get the idea, right? Go for the thing that I showed you, right? That are in high demand, right? Not necessarily those things that are in high demand. There are so many things. If you just go on Amazon and you search, you get the idea like what kind of books are selling. Plus, I have a secret tool coming out for you that's going to make this thing super easy. Just subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. I'll probably reveal that in the next few weeks. Anyways, so you do the research. You know what kind of topic you want to create it for. This is going to sell. There's a high demand for it. Let's create the cookbook. So what you do is you put that idea in. You put the number of recipes. You can go from 1 to 32, right? We are increasing it more, right? And then target audience. Is it for kids, professionals, seniors, home cook? Put in your title. Put in the measurement system. Do you want it by imperial or metric or dual? We just recommend you dual. Put in your title, whatever your book title needs to be. Do not worry about the title. Like this title is not going to be on your Amazon. This is just to store your book on Artistly. Headline, cover, subheadline, intro, and ending. Right now, I just quickly went through it. I want to show you the format of my recipe because this is game changer, right? Imagine you have all this messy text that you have been writing the recipe for since years, right? Now you want to publish it, right? So you put that messy text over here, for example, like this, right? Then you are going to basically, set your target audience. Let's say I want to do for kids, home cook, whatever it is. I give it like high protein diet, for example. Recipe type, you need to select bulk collection because you just bulk added like bunch of different recipes. Change the language. Do not put the recipes or your content in any other language, put it in English. We do the heavy lifting of converting it to a different language, right? So just stay for English. Headline color, sub headline color, you can keep it black. If you want to change it, you can change it. Now intro pages, ending pages, this is very important. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, if you create your intro pages from Canva or Artistly, you need to know one specific dimension that you need to follow, which is 896 by 1152, which comes to as 3:4 aspect ratio. This is the only aspect ratio that we recommend you. We created a system for this. So if you put any intro pages that are not 896 by 1152, it will get rejected. Number one. Number two, it's not going to work properly because we are doing the heavy lifting of upscaling it. So you don't worry about, oh, this is a very small dimensions. Don't worry. We internally upscale it for you so that it's print ready. Cool. All right. Now I want to tell you some couple of important points here. Is let's say I come to this. I like this cover, right? I just wanna tell you how to reverse engineer anything, right? So I'm using Windows right now. So if you use Windows, there is a tool called snipping tool. It's a free Windows. You know, like if it's a free Windows screenshot tool. Just click on new. Get this screenshot here, like just an inspiration. Click on copy, go to sorry, Artistly again. We give you this tool called under Designer V6, Perfect Text and Image Designer. This is to design your cover, okay? Now you click on it. You click on Mirror Magic. Mirror Magic. This is going to extract the prompt that is needed to recreate that image. Click on it and just do Control V. Will automatically paste it for you, right? Pretty much easier than downloading and uploading it. Click on describe, right? So it's going to describe that, write a very beautiful, like, like detailed prompt for you. For those of you who don't know, like how to write proper prompts and stuff like that. So this is like game changer. It's gonna give you the cover as, right? Now what you need to do, very important, right? Click on this edit prompt and just like change the name, change the title. It's like change the author name to Yash. You get my point, right? So yeah, I gotta. Oh, sorry, I just changed the edit prompt, right? So that you gotta, like, it gets that inspiration, but kind of tweak the prompt a little bit to uh, kind of work for you, right? Like with your author name and stuff like that, right? So that is very, very important. And as you can see, it did that. You can enable the enhanced prompt version or you can disable it. It's up to you, but keep it enabled. That's a good thing because we kind of enhance it to even make it more better. But all you could do from here is you do the aspect ratio and generate image, right? Now I want to show you the image, right? Check this out. The image will come out pretty good with perfect text in your perfect dimension, easy peasy, that you can use it for your cover image, right? That's what I use basically for this. Now once you got that image, all you gotta do, you can put that image here, right? So let me put that image in the intro pages. You don't have to put the cover image. You can put the copyright page if it is your own recipe, right? You can put I will leave the document below and some inspiration that you can put inspiration images, like to get an idea of how the copyright page should look like, right? So let me just upload the cover image for now. Right, so it is uploading, and then all you gotta do is just click on generate cookbook. That is it, and your cookbook will be created under my flipbooks, just like this. It's gonna take some time, and you can read it. You can download a PDF, or you can download a KDP manuscript. Basically a direct file that you can push and publish on Amazon. And you can download all the images if you want to kind of put together, and if you want to add more images, and if you want to add more recipes, right? And that is it, guys. That's it. That's how you can turn your recipes or your idea into a professional cookbook, right? I hope you loved it. Now, in order to publish it on Amazon, there is this video I'm showing on as a card. Just click on it. There, I showed you how to publish them on Amazon as well. I hope you loved it. Make sure you subscribe to not miss out on that secret weapon or tool that I'm coming up with very soon. That's gonna make the market research, finding the niche, finding the next big or trending niche before it gets saturated very easy. Subscribe it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.